In this video, I will show you how to write curly bracket. So in your keyboard, you will see this key here. After and you can say before enter, you will see this curly. But you have to press shift. So shift and this key. Press right and left. Here I will show you like this. So shift and this key. Without a shift, you will able to write this square bracket, and there are another bracket with shift number 9 and number 0. This you can see the open bracket and close bracket. In coding, you will see this bracket. Also, you will get this bracket useful in Excel. So thanks for watching, guys.